I am Mayuri and my partner is Mugdamis. So together we are going to present a game. We are from Ambegao branch. So the name of our game is Mathematical Tree. And we have chosen the subject numeracy concept is addition, and the age group is 5 to 7. K2 and grade 1 kids can enjoy this game. So I would like to tell more, something about the model. It is the objective about this. It is to make the concept of addition more easy to understand, and students can easily do the addition of two-digit numbers with a carryover at tens place. It is a bit little difficult for them, so this can make the concept more easy in a playway method. So this is our model, as you can see in the picture. This model is designed to make students understand concept of addition, the two-digit numbers addition in an easy way. So these are some of the instructions I would like to share. In this game, there is a board. It consists of movable wheels. As you can see in the picture, there are numbers from 0 to 9 and it has an arrow which moves. Like teacher will give certain addition problem. For example, 14 plus 62. We need to do the addition. So we can do it very easily with this. Teachers need to make two teams, at least two teams. We can make on other many more also. So each team will get a tray, like this mathematical tray for both teams. Suppose we are doing two teams, so both teams have to solve the given problem using this tray within the time limit. Suppose the team which is going to solve it first is going to be winner. So this will be the format, and there are certain rules, like it is only a simple rule. If you want to perform addition which has carry forward value 1 at one's place, then you need to increase the tens wheel value by 1. So we'll explain this also in detail. So regarding the material, you can use chart paper, color markers, Fevicol, scissors, and if material is available from 0 to 30, the cost is there. I would like to share a video in which we'll explain the game in detail.
This model helps child to add very fast. So let's see. This is the model. In this model, there are two wheels. On each wheel, the numbers from 0 to 9 are written. First wheel is for tens digit number, tens digit, and the second wheel is for ones digit. So let's see. I will explain you how to use this model. For example, take two numbers. Yeah. Let's say 43 plus 32. Okay. So in the first number, 3 is at ones place and 4 is at tens place. So for this, we need to set our first arrow on number 3. This is ones place arrow. So I am just setting this arrow on ones place, that is number 3, and the tens digit arrow on number 4. Then in second number, we have 2 at ones place and 3 at tens place. So for this, we need to move ones place wheel to 2 steps forward, like 1 and 2. And we got here number 5 for the ones place. Then we need to set our arrow to 3 steps forward from number 4. For example, 1, 2 and 3. So we got here number 7. So this is the answer complex number 43 plus 32. Thank you. This model helps